Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 2. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. नीचे कुछ इक्वेशंस आपको गिवन है, उनको हमें ax plus by plus c equal to 0 वाली फॉर्म में पहले कन्वर्ट करना है एंड फिर a, b and c की वैल्यूज बतानी. Let us see. The first one is 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. So constant term को हमने left पे shift कर दिया, so we get minus 9.35 bar which is equal to 0. So a is 2, b is 3 and c is minus 9.35 bar. Second we have, you have to remember x का coefficient is a, y is b and c is the constant. x minus y upon 5 minus 10 equal to 0, ये already उसी form में है. So a is 1, b is minus 1 by 5 and c is minus 10. Now the third point that we have is 2x minus 5y. अब हम सारी टर्म्स को लेफ्ट पे शिफ्ट करेंगे. So we have 2x plus 5y plus 0, क्योंकि इसमें कोई भी कांस्टेंट हमारे पास नहीं है, so हमने उसको 0 ले लिया. Plus 0 is equal to 0. So a is 2, b is 5 and c is 0. Now the fourth point that we have is y minus 2 is equal to 0. y minus 2 में a that is the coefficient of x कोई भी नहीं है, x वाली हमारे पास टर्म है नहीं, तो उससे हमने a equal to 0 मान लिया. b is 1 and then c is minus 2.